Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a like. So what we're going to start with is Peely base from Holo Taco. This is a peel off base and you can use whichever you prefer. We're going to go ahead and go over the colors that we're going to be using for this manicure. I've got two from Color Club. This one is Factory Girl. This is going to be our base color. The next one that I have is Holy Chic. And then we've got one from Pure Ice called Happy Hour. And then I've got Rodeo Drive from People of Color. And then last but not least, we have Show Me the Money from Salon Perfect. It's a little lighter than it's coming across on camera. It is a neon polish, so it tends to not pick up very well. But we're just going to go ahead and apply our base color. I went ahead and did 3 coats. I probably could have gotten away with 2, but I wanted to be sure that it was opaque completely, so I just went ahead and did 3. I'm going to be doing all of my cleanup at the end, so that's why it's looking a little messy. But I've just got a lid here, and I'm going to be putting the purple, the orange, and the red out onto here. And then we're going to be drawing flowers onto the nails. I'm not doing any sort of kind of flower, just drawing petals in a circle type of circle. And then we'll drag the green down to create the stems. Okay, once you have all of that done, if you want to leave it here, you can. I believe I forgot to mention, but I only did this on my middle nail and my ring fingernail. You can do all of the nails if you want to, if you just want to have a floral design. But anyway, I'm going to be adding a stamp on top of this. And I'm going to be using this I Love Mom stamp. I thought I had a stamp that was like this that said Happy Mother's Day, but it says Happy Valentine's Day. But you'll get your point across if you happen to have this plate. Oh, speaking of this plate, this is Born Pretty Hello 15. Once you've cleaned up, you're going to go ahead and go in with your top coat. I'm using Super Glossy Taco by Holo Taco. And there is the finished design after my top coat dried. I went and put a little bit of a Pure Eyes matte top coat on top. I just like the way it looks. This nail was for some reason not turning completely matte like the other ones, but we're just gonna go with it and just go with it basically. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss a future upload. I upload on Wednesdays at noon Central Daylight Time, and I think that's it. Follow me on Instagram at No Worries Nail Art. It'll be the first link down in the description box. All the products that I used today will be listed down in the description box as well. And I hope to see you back next week. Bye, guys.